Biogas, what is it? How does it work? And why should you care? TH, you have 30 seconds. Let's hear it.
First, you need a tank. Inside the tank, the microbes get to work, fermenting what you fed it. Second, you need a feeding pipe. That's where you put your food waste. As the microbes in the tank eat the food you put in, they bubble up gas, which comes out this pipe here. We collect it in this PVC plastic bag with a weight on it to force the gas to the kitchen under pressure. It's really clean burning. You can hardly see it, but if you burn something, you'll see just how hot it is. How about a little fire, Scarecrow?
How about a little fire, everybody, right? This technology works all over the world and people are already doing it all over the world. Go check out the Facebook group Solar Cities Biogas Innovators. There you will see how many people are already setting up these systems at home. And if you want more detailed information from TH, we made another video where he explains it all, how it works and what the advantages are. You can find the link below this video. Go ahead, check it out. That's it for today. Thank you.